So when you're using set option right here, you can utilize many operators, that is set operators, to narrow down your set in Gmail. For example, you can go around onto the set operator section right here, and you can see that this is a help page, and I'm going to go around and leave the link to this page in the description of this video. So over here you can see that you can specify out the sender right here, and you see an example as well. For example, you can go for from right here. Let me just go around and copy that and paste that out right here. Once I do that, you can go around and type in, let's say for example, TutorTube channel 3 right here, and then the mails from that particular sender pops up. You can go around over here, and let's say you want to go around and search out for emails that you sent to someone. So I'm just going to go around and paste this, and now only the mails that you send to TutorTube channel 3 at gmail.com shows up right here. You can go around and then let's say for example be specific right here as well, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here and then paste this around right here, and let's say I'm going to go for test right here. And once I do this, these specific mails with the subject test actually pops up right here. If I were to go around over here, then what you can also do is, let's say for example, add in an OR operator right here so that you can have multiple conditions. Let's say for example, subject test, or let's say for example from right here to YouTube channel 3 right here. If you were to specify this, then any mail which matches this or this will pop up right here, just like this, as you can see. You can also go around over here and remove messages from the result right here. For example, you need to go around and have a minus test right here, for example, then the test word will be removed, and only the mails without that particular word will pop up right here. So you can see that you can also select has drive, that is drive link, or which has YouTube link right here. For example, that has list or has a particular file name, or which is snoozed right here, or which is unread, and so forth, as you can see right here. So you want to go around and then search for emails that is read. You can go around over here and type in is read right here, just like this. If I were to go around right here and type in is unread right here, and over here you can see that this is unread, but it is still showing because one of the mail has been read while the other is not. But if I were to go around and paste is unread, then only the unread mails will show up, as you can see right here. And you can go around and utilize out the other operators as per how you like. And that is how you can go around and utilize set operators inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.